Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove the stylus. Unscrew 10 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Fold the unit over and gently insert the metal spudger between the keyboard and the palm rest. Use the metal spudger to pry around the edges of the keyboard to pop it free. Lay the keyboard down, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. Replace the keyboard and push down to snap it back into place. Fold the unit and flip it back over. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 10 captive screws in the bottom cover.